Welcome to this edition of Brashaw's Home Improvement's latest project. The team and I were called out to this house for an exterior paint job. We gave the house a great pressure wash job to remove all the mold and dirt. We also replaced some broken concrete and replaced some damaged siding. We found out that the builder used compressed wood on the corner trims, which we replaced with the real wood. So let's take a look at the finished job. Our client now has a custom finished paint job that everyone in the neighborhood can admire. And that siding replacement, well, it looks like it never ever happened. We use a satin finish so our clients can rest knowing they have protection from the rain, mold, and dust that will last them for years to come. So when you're ready for a well-protected and beautiful exterior paint job, just give Brashaw Home Improvement a call and we'll be glad to help.